They're doing rock, paper, scissors, who's starting, and the dream team is gonna take the first shot.
Start your Roombas.
All right, so the Roombas are on, and the dream team starts. Guðjón is the first one. Oh, and that was almost a hit there. Oh, and Kristó has the first hit here. Oh, and that's a hit as well. But we need to remind the competitors to watch the elbows. The elbows can't go over the table. Oh. Yeah, so just to clarify, the winner of this round of this game is the overall champion. This is the final round. Oh, that was a close call here. So let's see if Kristó manages. Oh, and Kristó hits again. 2 in a row. That's gotta be a record. If this continues to go like that, it's going to be a good game. Oh, Gauti with another shot here. Extremely close, right on the edge here. Same with Jón Gauti. Oh, and he misses. Let's some tissues here. And that was a hit. That was a hit. This hits the edge of the cup once again. Aaron way too far with that throw, and it is down. Guðjón. So everyone has hit one cup. Oh! According to Runa, who is standing there, he is telling the elbow went over. So there's another throw. Oh. All right. Almost there. And that's a hit from Gauti. Oh, almost. Second one there. Now it's 4 against 2. Oh, that was a hit for Gauti. So... almost a hit as well for Jón. Almost, it was so close. So they have one more try for this round. But it's a miss. It's a miss. It seems like Kristó is giving up. And Kristó hit. Oh. So they're just trying to. Oh, so. And Aaron hits. So, the dream team managed to hit the last cup, but the Gay Cowboys have a chance to equal up the game if they manage to hit each ball. 3 glasses, 3 balls, then they're even. So. And it's a miss. The dream team has won the Alcoholympic Games, the first ones, 2018. So they'll be taking home the trophies. All right. So they got the trophies.
It feels so good to be part of the dream team. I would like to thank my teammates Kristó and Guðjón for being with me for the entire time. They were awesome.
Congratulations, Aaron, Guðjón, and Kristó. They are the champions of the Alcoholympic Games in 2018, the first time. Congratulations. See you next year.
I would like to thank my mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hello.